In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your default Gmail account. We all know that having multiple Gmail accounts can be quite useful, but it can also get a bit confusing, especially when it comes to choosing which one is set as your default. So, let's walk through this process together to make sure you have your preferred account set as default for a smoother emailing experience. To begin, the first thing you'll want to do is open your web browser and head over to Google. Once you're there, sign out of all your Google accounts. Yes, I know this might sound like an inconvenience, but it's a necessary step to ensure that the account you want to set as default is properly registered as such. So, just click on your profile picture or initial in the top right corner, and from the menu that appears, choose Sign Out of All Accounts. Now that you've signed out of all accounts, it's time to sign back in. Here's where you need to be cautious. When you start signing in again, the first account you choose to log into will automatically be recognized as your default. So make sure to select the account that you want as your primary one. It's a little quirky, but Google uses your first login to determine the default status. Once you've logged in with your chosen default account, feel free to add any additional accounts you have. To do this, click on your profile picture or initial again and select Add Another Account. You can then enter the credentials for your secondary accounts without affecting your default choice. After you've added all your accounts, you might still have other preferences to set. For example, if you use Google Chrome, you might want to ensure your default Gmail account is linked to your browser profile. Simply click on the user icon in the top right corner of Chrome, choose Manage People, and either select or create a profile with your default Gmail account. This way, when you open a new tab and access Google services, it'll be in the correct account automatically. Remember, if you ever want to change the default account again, you'll have to repeat the process of signing out of all accounts and making your new choice first. It's a simple yet effective trick that can save you time and hassle in the future. And there you have it. Changing your default Gmail account is as easy as signing out and selectively signing back in. It might seem a little tedious at first, but once it's set up, accessing your most used account becomes seamless. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this guide helps make your emailing experience a bit more streamlined. See you in the next video.